In this video, I'm going to share with you BodyJewelry all the latest coupon code and discount that will work for you with confidence. Just you have to go to this website. Also, you can click on my video description link. Then here you can see the coupon code. You will get buy one get one 50% off. Also, if you use this coupon code, here you can see, just click on the shop now button, then you will get the discount. Also here you can see 15% off coupon code is available for you. You can copy the coupon and apply in the coupon option. Also you can click on the shop now button, you will get the discount like this way. Here you can see others discount and coupon code is available for you, which will help you. Here you can see 60% off discount. Also here is another 60% off. Lots of opportunity is waiting for you, which will make you feel happy. They have lots of good quality product, and if you need more promotion discount, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get the best discount, which will help you more. I hope my video help you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all the latest discount.